A warm greetings from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. I am Professor Radhika from Chemistry Department. In this module, we discuss about fuels and combustion. So, after completion of this module, the students can able to know about the types of fossil fuels available in the earth crust. Similarly, renewable fuels and alternative fuels. First, let us see what is meant by fuel. Fuel is nothing but it's a combustible substance which gives heat energy and light energy during the burning process. It contains carbon as a major constituent. Combustion means it's an exothermic chemical reaction which takes place in presence of oxygen with the evaluation of heat and light. So, fuel and combustion. Fuel means it is a combustible substance which mainly consists of carbon and hydrogen. These fuels undergo burning process in presence of oxygen which produces enormous amount of heat and light energy, means that process is called as a combustion. So in our earth crust we are having more quantity of fossil fuels. Nowadays we are using our fossil fuels for our transport systems. So the most usable fossil fuels are coal, petrol, diesel, kerosene, etc. But nowadays, due to the usages of these fossil fuels, our environment affected severely. That's why we find our scientists are continuously finding the alternative energy fuels. Already we have some renewable fuels also like solar energy, wind energy, hydrogen fuel cells. Nowadays, we are focused to develop the alternative fuels like biodiesel, ethanol, and nuclear energy. So, during combustion process, this fuels liberates some amount of heat energy. That heat energy is measured in terms of calorific value. So the total amount of heat liberated when 1 unit mass of the fuel is burnt is known as a calorific value. So this calorific value also measured by the unit calorie normally. Let us discuss about the fossil fuel coal. So we know that the coal is a primary solid fuel which is formed by the decomposition of vegetable matters under favorable conditions. Therefore, the process of conversion of vegetable matters into coal is called as a coalification. So, normally the wood is converted into anthracite. It takes millions of years. The wood is converted into peat, then peat is attains the lignite state, then lignite is converted into bituminous coal, and finally it produces the high quality anthracite. So this is a structure of coal. So these are the examples of fuels: methanol, gasoline, diesel, natural gas, hydrogen, biodiesel. So these are the commonly used fuels. So now we discuss about the characteristics of a good fuel. A good fuel means it should have a high calorific value. It have a moderate ignition temperature and velocity of combustion. It should consist of very low moisture content and non-combustible matters. It should have low volatile matters also. It containing high carbon content, and it must produces high calorific value. It is easy to transport. The combustion products must be harmless. The combustion process should be easily a controllable one. It should not produce much more smoke. So these are the characteristics of a good fuel. So the solid fuels are nothing but it consists of various types of solid material which are used as a fuel to produce energy and provide heating, usually released through combustion process. These solid fuels are used in rocket technology and also in propellants. Solid fuels have been used by humanity for many years to create fire. Coal was the fuel source which enabled the revolution from firing furnaces to steam engines. So this is the usages of coal. It is also used to produce electrical current. So the Neyveli Lignite Corporation also produced the electrical current from using lignites. So in our earth crust, the availability of coal is gradually decreasing. At the same time, we are consuming enormous amount of fossil fuels, which produces lot of pollutants in the environment. So, in this module, we discussed about what is fossil fuels, renewable fuels, as well as alternative fuels. So, what is the purpose of we are producing the alternative fuel means to protect the environment from pollutants, as well as we can't give the assurance for our future generations of availability of these fossil fuels. So, in the next model, we discuss about the analysis of coal. Thank you so much.